Our doctors take a Hippocratic oath to preserve life or to protect life, and our nurses take a Nightingale pledge to act professionally. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, if a hospital is referring a patient to another hospital, they should take care of that patient until such a time when that patient arrives into the referred hospital. They should ensure that they preserve life and they protect the patient. In our Kenyan system, Mr. Speaker, you find that a patient is taken to a hospital, left there to die. Procedures are being followed for this patient to be admitted in the hospital that they have been referred to. So therefore, Mr. Speaker, we have a right as a nation to protect and preserve life. Thank you.
Point of view. Who do you want to inform? Owino has finished his contribution, so you can't inform him. Honorable Didymus.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, this bill seeks to compel the Ministry of Health